The Nike GT Cut Academy 2 Black and White Colorway is built for players who rely on speed, control, and quick reactions on the court. Designed as part of Nike's Greater Than series, this model focuses on sharp cuts, explosive stops, and confident footwork. The sleek black upper delivers a clean, aggressive look, while subtle white accents, including the swoosh and midsole, add contrast without distraction. A lightweight, breathable construction helps keep your feet cool during intense runs, while the supportive overlays enhance stability during lateral movements. Underfoot, responsive cushioning provides impact protection and court feel, allowing you to stay low and reactive from tip-off to the final buzzer. The durable rubber outsole features a traction pattern engineered for reliable grip on indoor courts, helping you change direction with confidence. Finished with a streamlined silhouette, the Nike GT Cut Academy 2 offers performance-driven design at an accessible price point. Retailing at $95 US, it's a solid choice for everyday hoopers.